What are you waiting for? Check out Podbean. Go to the Podbean on my profile. You guys want to hear the podcast? You want to talk about trucking stuff? You want to hear us live? You want to get on the show for free? It costs you nothing. Click the link in the bio. There's probably going to be a link up here, but maybe not because I don't know how to put links in certain videos. But check out the podcast. The podcast is on every week live. It's at a random time, so it doesn't matter what shift you drive. And if you download the app, and once you click that link, if you download that app, you guys can come on the show and talk and be free. It's easier to go to the app, or you can go to the website. Check it out. Tale from the Roads. Tale from the Roads. We're on iHeart. We're on Apple, Amazon Music, Spotify. Check us out. You guys be safe. Love your brother, sister trucker. Till next time, survive and stay alive. Peace.